Is the San Antonio River Walk haunted after dark? Imagine strolling along a beautiful waterway lined with twinkling lights, lively restaurants, and bustling shops. Now, picture the same scene after sunset, when the city's energy shifts into a different gear. Some say the river walk takes on a mysterious vibe once night falls. The truth is, many visitors and locals believe the river walk is haunted after dark. Reports of strange sounds, shadowy figures, and unexplained cold spots have been shared by those who walk the area late at night. These stories are not just local legends but are backed by numerous documented accounts. The history of San Antonio is filled with stories of battles, Spanish missions, and Native American settlements. Many spirits are thought to linger from these times. For example, the nearby Alamo, famous for its 1836 battle, is considered one of the most haunted sites in the United States. People working there or visiting have seen apparitions of soldiers and defenders. Some say these spirits extend their presence to the river walk itself. Hotels along the river walk, like the Menger Hotel, have their own ghost stories. The Menger Hotel opened in 1859 and is known for sightings of a ghostly chambermaid named Sally White. Guests have reported hearing footsteps and seeing full-bodied apparitions in the hallways. The Emily Morgan Hotel, once a medical building, is also said to be haunted by former patients. Visitors often feel a strange presence or see unexplained shadows. The San Fernando Cathedral, built in the 1700s, is another haunted spot. Visitors at night have reported glowing orbs and ghostly figures, likely connected to the many people buried beneath its grounds. The Majestic Theater, once the largest theater in the country, is famous for hearing disembodied voices and seeing unexplained movements on stage. All these stories connect to San Antonio's deep past. The spirits are believed to be remnants of lives lived and lost during the city's turbulent history. Paranormal tours are popular, with guides sharing documented experiences of cold spots, shadowy figures, and strange sounds. So, is the river walk haunted after dark? Many credible accounts say yes. The area's haunted reputation adds a spooky twist to its lively nightlife and daytime charm. Whether you believe in spirits or not, exploring the river walk after sunset offers a different perspective on this iconic San Antonio attraction.